I mean, the stuff that's designed for it, it's kind of made so it kind of sticks to itself and it doesn't move around. You could wash the pillow first. That would make sense, though. See, the pattern calls for what size weight yarn does it say? It doesn't actually tell you what yarn. Weird. Full on, yeah. The worst thing is when you wake up by rolling onto your drool. I'm going to assume it's worsted weight because it doesn't say anything else. Have you put in your zip or is it just using automatic location? Well, I don't know. Maybe you actually live closer than you think you do. Maybe your car is a lot faster than you thought it was. Oh, well, I don't know. But yeah, I've used like old pillows for all sorts of stuff. Yeah, as the crow flies. Very good. Like I said, normally when you go to those sites, you can get a pretty good price on your first order. If they have a sale. Totally get your jam. It is a very cute pattern. I don't know that I would have any use for making a bunch of EVs for myself, though. There's no Leafy on there. That's when I know. Oh, would I? I would make them for you. I would make them for you if I had the yarn. And Premiere. Premiere is nice, actually. The Premiere yarn is really lovely. It's the stuff. Premiere Everyday. This is the stuff that I made the house. Not the house, the monkey head out of. And it's, I don't know if this is the one that they had that get there, but it's really nice work because it's super smooth. Oh, I wouldn't want to use a wool. But yeah, Premiere, I mean, I would love to use Premiere again. I really enjoyed using that. I haven't used pattern. I don't know that, so I don't know what it's like. Inspirations is another one that you could try maybe for yarn, for ordering online. I get some of my patterns from them as well. I don't know, I've ordered some of the yarn before. Oh, Joanne's is completely out of everything. Yeah, Premiere, I used it for a hat to make for someone. I just happened to pick that up on sale. And it was just, it's got the smoothness of Karen Simply Soft, but the thickness of the Red Heart. So it's kind of like a nice combination of the two. On the Yarnspiration site, Karen is on sale, but it looks like every single color is out of stock, except for soft green. Wow. Red Heart with Love, Sugars and Cream, Karen £1, Red Heart soft yarn. I mean, you wouldn't use much for that. Ooh, that's pretty. A little bit, yeah. I think it's because I don't think it's the yellow. I think it's the red. Like I love the red, but I think maybe it's too too bright. But I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Bought from Yarnspirations a couple